Hello guys! Welcome sa among bukid. Guys, manguha mig kahoy. Ang kahoy guys, kamo na namong isugnod diri sa among bukid. So, tanaw na to. So, good morning everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel. So, among ipakita sa inyo ha guys, unsaon pagkuha og kahoy nga para iluto. Magluto mi kay para sa New Year Eve. Sa mo masakto ba? Wow, kabalo.
Yes, magluto man ta sa New Year.
Ang lutoon na day guys kay bulan da di ay.
Dila.
So guys, akong ipakita sa inyo ang among bukid. Ngit-ngit lagi. Against the light. Ha? As mama. Nada diri sila nanguha. Ala ka kurog-kurog sa akong hands. Pamain, kanding. Muna akong farm. Dool deng. Laya na di na. Guys, nanguha mi kahoy. Unsa na bulot?
Bulot.
Di naman be.
Ha? Ipalain mo ko ng laya.
Aw. Hila do na uban? Buin?
Hello. I'm here to get some trees.
Oh, hello, who are you? Why you speak English? Can you speak English?
Please.
Hoy, speak English so that Robert will understand you.
I need to get trees for fireworks.
Fireworks day, yeah. Okay. But you are standing.
But I'm going to get some trees.
Where are the trees? Ben, anong ginagawa mo dyan? So, my brother, my cousins, my mother, my other cousins is there. Hello, cousins.
Kuha ali kuya? Kitay? Sa to? No, bili mo.
Hurry up!
Dado na dito.
Dalian ninyo! Ito? Ha? Bilisan nyo! Kilos! Kilos! Bilisan nyo! Hala! Hala! Din ka ako tatong uhong be. Din he?
Nangit at tauhang.
Wala na putla kay.
Halingit at tauhang. Ini mo uhungan na.
Ikaw na ikuandong, tighakot.
Dili dapit ah.
Okay.
Tighakot ka kay wala mo kay kasundang.
Dili dapit ah.
Ako ra tigkuan nimo.
Ha? Mo dyan.
Ha?
Paligan mo pong makaharap. Kanang lawasan
Oy!
lang ah.
Ako na po kuan eh. Guys, maghakot ko kay... Ay, pabugata! Tadanon eh!
Ah.
Ano man?
Oh. Anong gitapok mo dal ara?
Oh.
Ika nindot ni Dadon.
Ah.
Bugat!
Kuan man na, isugnod po ng kay Benje.
Nara si kahoy.
Mo dyan, kita mo yung kahoy.
O sige, dadala nato ning tinapok. Ako'y dala ng gagmay.
Ah, sige, bantay ha. Bring the gagmay.
Aras.
Mo siya ang ka.
Aras
Nami diri sa forest, guys. Ah, forest. Mabuyag ka ta, tuyo buyag. Mabuyag ka ta ning kalakiha. So, dako din nagsuhol ning mga ngahoy. Pila ka dala nimo, Buen? 5 na? Agoy, kasakit mas abaga. Ay, sakit sa abaga. Ah. Akong kuyugan si Ibuen. Hatod siya. Maghatod lang sad ko kay miikog sad ta. Agoy. Ha? Agay. Agay, kabugat.
Bugat kita kina.
Uy. Uy. Luyas mga ngahoy. Luyas ng mga kahoy, oy. How could you see quiet? Ayay! 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 Unsa? What? I can't hear you. Bunjing! Sam! Hey! Shh! Dadaling kahoy. Bunjing! Sam! Sam! Umay tabang, oy. Ay, kutasa, oy. Mana mong balay, guys. Layo ang mga kahoy. Ay, Lord. Kabugat. Asa ka? Okay, muntak. Oh, guys, muna among nadala nani. Kahoy.
So we're going back.
What are you doing?
Hatagog ering.
Pila ka bok iring, May?
Pila ka bok?
Bula.
Koreano. Kuan. Murag nato sa mga 15, I think.
15? Kajotay. Sa asa na imuha? Jam.
Ero.
Si MJ, nilubok nagbulan eh?
Pula.
Wa siya ni mata?
Nara di.
Gaun sa siya?
Igda na po.
Pakan asa? Toby? Hello, Toby. Sa may buhat ni mo, Toby? Aha, hello. Psst. Uy, all. Toby! Uy, ignore. Bati ang kwan. Clouds.
Dito nga na noon ka.
Haman. Ah guys, morning balay sa among iring. Kay daghan na kay ming iring. Gigaman nagbalay ang among iring, guys. Tanawa. Oh, nindot kay balay ang among iring, mga iring ning. So na ang ilawom kay mga itik. Itik, white o brown, mga manok. Basin to hakon tani ha. Sa iring dito sa sulod sa balay. Pila to kubok?
Mga buto man daw.
So gikural ang mga babae kay mo daghan na kayo, guys. So asa ubang iring mo? Mo na ilang balay. Jackson. Ah, oh, si Jackson. Na. Puro nanay pangalan tanan may?
Wala.
Agoy kahugaw na ko gikuan ko sa itik, yung itikan eh. Sa ilang kaon pagkaon may.
Kanon og kadong ko.
Kanon og katong manok. Wala gani kaon to siya daog guro to. Kato ba? Asa? Kanin, kanin.
Kaon nga sila ron.
Asa lang mama? Asa cookie?
Wala na, nawala.
Wala cookie.
Ayaw, gawas.
Di man limpyo lang tubig. Galumlum ang manok. Manuhak ni May.
Ambote?
Ay, tuwakon niya ko. Hoy, kumusta ang imong itlog, nok? Kagamay bunga sa kuan. Maggamay pa, bata pa. Guyaban, no? Punuan ako kay punuan.
But there's many guyabano.
Kadaghan bungas mangga, mangga. Nangka ni Maika, napas taas, guys. Dang 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 dang. Wow. Si Maika ang gatanong Manila, mi kani siya hinog. Gakot ka gabalik mani. Where are you going? You don't know where is the street, ha? Saan pag can you demonstrate how to get fireworks?
Fireworks, not fireworks.
Why are you laughing, guys? Ano na dong? Butang sa sako, aswato dadon sa balay.
Just pile up.
Ah, just pile up kuno. Muna na among nakuha nga kahoy. Iape lang slab dong. Ha?
Ako rumedala.
Yoy. Dala na ni mo tanan?
Yo, balik ulit.
Ah. Nihurot na ilubi lagi diri. Hurot na nagbaligya nila.
Digi, pambabok.
Hoy, dana na biba kaon skanding.
Asa mo ka ang kanding naman.
Hoy, 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 hoy. Igo ta.
Agabas pa ko ni be.
Kadaog ba? Ah. Kadaog. Oh my god.
Otok ke.
Unsay otok ke buen?
Oh no.
Oh no? Yeah, words. Oh, ayuha mo gabas bi, be. Be, pakitang gilas. Agoy, agoy. Ah, di gaya ta mo kahuman ane.
Sandra kay na, ba.
Muram dito. Hana guni mong dala. Hinay lang.
Gabas bitan sila. Mamutul sa kumasahan.
Sa storya sa diha.
Dito lang ko dapat kandeng. Hello. This is this is the place we're getting many fireworks and we're done making fireworks but we're going home but please subscribe and like or what's your phone. And then this is our little cutie. Okay, can I touch you? Oh, okay. But he won't let me touch her face. She's going to snow. But there's only one way. Oh. This is a scary place. How many girls are coming in here? Oh, no, I was wrong. This is the place that my sister gave. No. Yes, my sister's candy. They were really cute of it. Creating is here. I don't tell her to see my face again and again. Yeah, I got him. Yes, I got him. Yes, I got him. I got him, Nelly. I got him. I got him. He said, I am a monkey. Oh, the sun is too late. The sun is too late. How many times I come here? It's too light. It's too bright. How many times you said it was the sun was a bird? Oh, there's the sun. Did you see it? The sun is there. Okay. There are too many of them, but it's too bright. I'm really wet enough. Please like and subscribe. This is the place we're going to get some more flowers. Oh, look at the boy. He's just sitting in like the like a teriyaki. Oh, these two were really different to work because they're boys. Above stairs, downstairs. Oh, there's no stairs. Look at that, 3 families. There are 2 wedding cups on each year, but they're too lovely as they can't do out. Now, look, there's so many trees, right? So that's the firewoods. So we're going to make them firewoods to cook for dinner, for New Year, for Christmas. I'm so happy because it's Christmas. And I'm sad when my school stopped because the COVID come up. So today I'm happy. So today everyone is happy. We're going home now, but they're gonna take it in a way. But we're protecting ourselves to fight the COVID-19 virus. The plans of my teacher were going to school back, but there's a new case of not COVID, new COVID come up. So that's why this is the last chance that we cannot go to school. But I'm happy when going to school back face to face, but cancel from it. So I'm happy. I have a module. Module is always my class for my grade. And always my friend, he just mess with her module every day. He just, alam niyo ba nung nanghihitabo kayo? Malay ko. Alo? Alam niyo, itong vlog niya. Ito yung bata na hindi niya, mess lang ang kanyang module. Sinabi niya, wala kang mala. Mala ko lang. Mala ko. Meron ding question. Sinabi, mala ko. Gusto talagang magbasket, pero ang ina hindi dapat pabasketin. Mas pitinap, allergic. Hindi naman allergic yung bata na yan. Pero, ito ang batang hubunos namin sa headshot. Please like. Thank you for watching this vlog.